we're showing you a 2014 John Deere 5065E tractor. Four-wheel drive tractor with a cab, heat, and air conditioning. Tractor has a 553 quick attach front loader to go with it. Has just over 900 hours on it, 65 horsepower. Tractor engine is prior to the Tier 4 emissions. It's a very clean, very nice tractor. Front grill guard, level indicator on the loader. It's got the 6-foot front bucket, global style quick attach for your bucket connection. Mirrors on both sides of the cab, work lights on front and back of the cab. Front tires are new. Back tires do show some wear. They probably have approximately 30 to 40% tread life remaining. Double check the ad, but I believe those rear tires are also loaded. Does have the rear hydraulic SCV, 540 and 540E PTO. Has the top link, and again rear work lights on the cab. Slight crack here in the back fender. Pretty minor. A little bit of damage right here as well, but again very minor. Paint overall is in really nice shape on the tractor. Inside the cab it does have the full suspension seat here for the operator, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Left of the seat here you've got your four-wheel drive engagement lever, 540, 540E PTO selector. Also have a cup holder up here on the console, another cup holder on the right console. 3-point and hydraulic levers over here to the right, as well as your PTO engagement switch. 3 ranges in the short lever here, 4 synchronized gears. On the larger lever gives you a total of 12 speeds. Up top you've got the radio, climate controls, sun visor and rear view mirror. Back down to the floorboard you've got your individual brakes and foot throttle to the right, differential lock, and clutch pedal over here to the left. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.